Intro. Welcome to Word Insights, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to talk about hail. It's a meteorological phenomenon that can have a significant impact. Let's get started. Meaning. Hail is a noun that refers to pellets or balls of ice that fall from the sky during certain types of thunderstorms. These ice pellets can vary in size, from small and harmless to large and destructive. Hail can cause damage to crops, vehicles, and buildings. Pronunciation. Pronounce hail as hell, rhyming with ale. Use in a sentence. 1. A sudden storm brought heavy hail, damaging cars and windows in the area. 2. Farmers are concerned about the potential for hail damaging their crops during this storm. Synonyms. In a meteorological context, you can use words like ice pellets, hailstones, or simply hail to convey a similar meaning. Conclusion. Hail is a meteorological phenomenon that can range from harmless to destructive. It's a reminder of the power of nature and the impact it can have on our environment. Thanks for joining us, and stay safe during extreme weather conditions.